Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Match Factory game using your Apple ID. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will only be able to log into the Match Factory game using your Apple ID if you are using an iOS device. Otherwise, you will not be able to find this option on an Android device. So open up this game within your iOS device. And once the game is opened up and you are asked to complete the basic tutorial levels, after completing the level 1 and 2, you will gain access to main menu. You can then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner and then tap on Save Progress. Now, if your device is an iOS device, you will also find the option to sign in with Apple ID. Go ahead and tap on the option and you will be asked to enter your Apple ID credentials. Just type in your username or email address and your password for your Apple ID and then tap on the continue button and you will be logged in to the Match Factory game using your Apple ID right away, and your progress will all be saved into this account now. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log in to your Match Factory game using your Apple ID. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.